Hi, and welcome back in the Thermal Grizzly studio. Today we're going to show you how to check WireView compatibility before purchase. WireViews are not universally compatible with every graphics cards due to wide variety of GPUs and cooler designs on the market. There are three main factors to consider: connector orientation, physical space clearance, and cable routing orientation. Keep in mind that compatibility can also vary depending on whether the GPU uses stock cooler, aftermarket air cooler, or water block, as we will demonstrate today here in the studio. On the Thermal Grizzly website, you'll find official resources including orientation guides, technical drawings with exact dimensions, and verified compatibility lists. For older WireView generations, such as the original WireView and WireView Pro, the GPU connector orientation determines whether you need normal or reversed version. If the 4 sensor pins are located between the PCB and 12 power pins, you need the normal version. If the 12 power pins are between the PCB and the 4 sensor pins, you'll need reversed version. For WireView Pro II, both orientations, normal and reversed, generally fit any compatible graphics card. This is possible because all connections except the 12-volt 2x6 connector have been moved to the bottom of the device. Another important factor is physical space clearance. Use the technical dimensions on the website and measure all key distances. Make sure there is enough space for the WireView housing to fit, the GPU connector isn't recessed too far, and the connector can be fully inserted without anything blocking it, like backplates or cooler designs, as you can see on this card. Also watch out for large CPU air coolers that extend above the GPU, as they can limit clearance from the top. For WireView Pro II, also ensure there is approximately 5 to 10 mm of space to the case panel for fan airflow. The third compatibility factor is cable routing. For WireView Pro models, there are two cable routing options: a 180-degree variant with cable routed over the GPU backplate and 90-degree variant with cable routed downward. The WireView Pro II is available only in a 90-degree variant. By choosing the desired connector orientation and rotating the display for 180 degrees, you can route the cables either over the GPU backplate or downward. For example, if your GPU connector is in the normal orientation and you use the normal WireView variant, the cable will be on the bottom side. If you want to route the cable over the top of the GPU backplate, choose the reverse WireView variant and rotate the display 180 degrees in the global settings. Vertical display orientation is currently not supported. Keep in mind that normal and reversed versions are not compatible with angled connectors. This limitation applies to all current WireView models. Yes, you can use an extension cable and this is still covered under the warranty. However, keep in mind that any additional cable creates an extra stress point which can increase the risk of current imbalance. In this case, the electrical measurements will not be affected. Temperatures might be slightly influenced. And this is it for today. If you are still unsure about compatibility, visit our Discord or Reddit community or reach out to our support for additional guidance. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you next time!